Today, programming the 2017 Dodge Challenger. First, plug in the OBD. After inserting the OBD, we turn on the car's ignition switch. Turn on the ignition switch. Because there is no work key, we turn on the hazard lights. Turn on the hazard lights. Turn on the hazard lights. Once we finish downloading the IPP, we ensure it's connected. This means we're already connected. We enter the system. If it doesn't read successfully, we manually input it here. Manual input. The vehicle's VIN is. Since it's not available here, we need to go to the front. Here it's 2C. Now the manual input was successful. Let's come in and have a look. Select to confirm. Smart key. This is a smart key. Smart key. It's for the 2017 model. Models from 2018 and above require a 12+8 wire connection. Connect to the network. No need. Let's look at the first option. First, read the password. Read the password. Turn off the phone switch. Is now in the off state. Turn it off. Off state. Okay. Turn it on. Turn it on. The hazard lights. It wasn't successful. We read using the second method. It reads as 7722. It read as 7722. Let's write it down. Then we program the key. Programming the key. Press it once. The previous code was 7722. Continue pressing it. There are now 4. No other keys nearby. This key here is this one. Move the key to the side. In this sensing area, then press the unlock button twice. After pressing multiple times, now it's successful. We kept pressing, not just twice. We pressed it several times, and in the end, it worked. As you can see, it matched successfully with 5 keys. Now it worked. Let's start it up to test. All set, it worked. Completed successfully.